Audio Jungle.
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel Hardware World. So in this video we have taken a second examples. It is a program to calculate area of a triangle using Heron's formula. So you know that what is the Heron's formula? It is first we take out the sides, that is first side plus second side plus third side, and we take the average of the following and assign the variable value to the variable s, which is the indicated as s. And later on we will take out the area, which is s multiplied by s minus a multiplied by s minus b multiplied by s minus c whole root. Okay, now first we take the values of the a plus b plus c, means the all the three sides of the triangle. Okay, so I am writing here calculate the area of triangle using herons. So the herons will be not look like that in the output. For the column s we have to specify the space, we have to specify the bar here. Okay, then we have the following formula. Okay, and it is calculate. After that we have to take the three values of the triangle. So the first side I assigned the value to the variable a, and I am taking the value in the integer format. For taking the value we have to provide input, enter value a. Okay, and the second side same in. Okay, enter value b and then colon, and then c is equal to integer input, enter value c. Okay, after that we will take the average of the three sides, which is s plus b plus c. We are assigning a value to the s variable, and then divided by 2. Okay, this will give the quotient of the following, and we will taking out the average also. After that we assign area to the variable area, which is formula is s multiplied by s minus a. We write down here asterisk. Okay, which is multiplication, again s minus a multiplied by s minus b, then again asterisk and s minus c. So this is the formula and the whole of the root. So multiply by 0.5, it is not multiplication, it is a power. 2 asterisk means it is a power, and 1 asterisk means it is a 2 asterisk means it is a root, and 1 asterisk means it is a power. So after that we print the area. So area of a triangle, it is plus str and the variable here. Okay, and after that in the PyCharm application we have to debug the code, interpret the code, and run the code with the shift plus F10, where it is there. The code is running exactly and no error is there. Enter value a, so I have entered the value 12. Again it is asking for second value and the third value. which is 56.56, which is actually correct answer. Okay, hope you like this video, and please do subscribe and like my channel for the latest updates to you. Thank you.